In today's video, another video about Waltenhofer's pendulum, this time using a permanent magnet. This shows up the effects much more strongly. A lot of braking effect because of Lenz law with a solid plate. I'll swap that out for the slotted one. So these are aluminium plates, much less braking effect. It also would work with copper. We've got some other materials in our kit, some homemade ones. We've actually got a lead one, copper comb and copper solid pendulum as well. Sorry about the camera shake, it's an issue with my phone.